2 minute scratch on your recipes.
Today's quick recipe is bouncing a ball.
Here is how it looks. So let's get started. Add a new scene. Add a ball. Add any background you want. And I want it to jump 4 times. But I want it to jump smaller than the previous bounce. So let's put the timer 1 and the jump block. And another timer and another jump block, another timer and another jump block 4 times. Now let's change the timer all to 1. Let's make this as maybe 7, minus 2 5, minus 2 3, minus 2 1. Yeah, so I even want it to rotate. So let's take the loop, maybe 18 times, and spin. So there you go. Now you have your own basketball. But I think it's a little too fast, so we will add the speed block. Now it's slower. So this is it.